Is your home a reflection of your soul, or just a collection of four walls? Sparkles. Most people shop for a vibe. At Beki Décor, we create the frequency. Today, we are decoding the living room revelation, transforming small spaces, teen rooms, and budget makeovers into high-end, breathtaking sanctuaries. Let's build your masterpiece. Welcome back to Beki Décor, the sanctuary for organic modernism and bespoke artistry. I'm Beki. If you've been staring at a small space feeling trapped, or a living room feeling uninspired, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're blending Joanna Gaines' warmth with modern architectural precision. We're mastering budget-friendly DIYs that, wow, and teen room aesthetics that feel sophisticated. We aren't just fixing rooms, we are grounding them in luxury. Let's dive in. Idea 1. The architectural anchor, unique DIY living room ideas. Luxury begins with scale. To transform a living room, we move away from small piece clutter and toward architectural anchors. The project, creating oversized, textured canvas art, using joint compound and a wide tooth comb. Designer secret. The art should be at least 60% of the width of your sofa. This creates a breathtaking focal point that tricks the brain into seeing a high-end, gallery-designed space for under $50. Idea 2. The Horizon Hack, small space inspiration. In small space decorating, your biggest enemy is the visual stop. We use linear rhythm to push the walls back. The project, installing thin, floor-to-ceiling wooden slats in one corner to draw the eye upward. Designer secret. By emphasizing the vertical volume, we make a 500 square foot apartment feel like a 1,000 square foot loft. We use the formula for vertical balance. Slat height equals ceiling height, baseboard height. This creates a seamless, bespoke architectural look that expands the room's energy. Idea 3. Material Alchemy, budget makeover ideas. A stunning living room makeover doesn't require new furniture. It requires material dialogue. The project, upcycling an old coffee table using Roman clay, paint, or a matte black finish, with brass hardware. Designer secret. We use shadow architecture, placing battery-operated LED strips beneath the furniture to create a floating effect. This makes budget furniture look like high-end acquisitions overnight. Idea 4. The sophisticated glow, teen room DIYs that wow. Teen rooms are moving away from clutter and toward aesthetic precision. The project, a floating mesh wall for photos and memories, framed in black metal for a sophisticated vibe. Designer secret. We replace harsh overhead lighting with layered illumination. Use a mix of warm LED strips and a single architectural lamp. This creates a restorative sanctuary for study and rest that feels mature and wow-worthy. Idea 5. The Foundry Effect, Joanna Gaines secrets. To get that Joanna Gaines inspiration, we focus on organic textures and found objects. The project, creating a natural wood mantle, or a botanical gallery wall. Designer secret. Joanna's secret is sophisticated warmth. We pair raw, reclaimed wood with sleek, black iron accents. This creates a textural dialogue between the old world and modern minimalism, grounding the home in a way that feels timeless and curated. As you look at your space today, whether it's a tiny corner or a whole living room, I hope you feel the power of your own hands to change your environment. Your home is the soil where your life grows. Make sure it's a place that nourishes you. Thank you for spending these moments with me at Beki Décor. Your heart for a grounded, beautiful life is what makes this community shine. If you're ready to reclaim your walls, please subscribe and let me know in the comments which room in your house is waiting for its revelation. I'll see you in the next one. Stay inspired and stay grounded.